I'll check out the cow sheds, but kid, you're gonna need one of these. I call her Betsy. Got me out of many a tight spot.
You named your gun?
After the only woman I've ever loved.
Mom's name is Claire.
I know. Head to the cellar. I think I left another boomstick there.
Good shot. Good shot. Great.
Z's dead ahead. No pun intended.
Good shot.
Incoming zombies on your left!
Good shot.
Spitters! Shoot that goop. It's pure acid.
Reload. Good shot. Excellent.
Dodge out the way if you've got no bullets left.
Reload. Reload.
Check those gunslinger skills. Good job, Cypher.
You're a crack shot.
Practice makes perfect, Cypher. Hey, look to your left. That's my old baseball bat. Why don't you pick it up and whack some Z's?
Good shot.
Ooh. It may not be sharp, but it'll send those Z's flying. The doc won't like those curveballs.
Good shot.
Farmhands have turned. Damn it. Gotta put them out of their misery.
Reload. Good shot. Good. Good shot. Great.
The state of our farming equipment is varied. Watch out, Big Pete dead ahead. They take more shots to put down, but are pretty slow. Dad says they remind him of his Uncle Pete, hence the nickname. Sleep tight, big guy. Okay, watch yourself in the cellar, Cypher. There could be anything down there. Dad's like some kind of crazy survivalist pack rat. Weapons stashed all over the ranch.
Never hurts to be prepared. Hey, Cypher.
Break glass in case of zombie apocalypse.
Good shot. Reload.
Oh, and kid, some of the ranch hands might be holed up down here. So,
Try not to shoot them?
Headshot. Reload. Headshot. Nice. Reload. Headshot. Reload. Reload. Great.
Nice work. That was getting hairy. If only I realized about Monday's little human experiments earlier.
none of us knew, honey.
Scan consolation. Thanks, Dad.
Reload. Reload. Reload.
There was a saying at the CIA. Why fire one gun when you can fire two? You got it? Great. So what are you going to call it? Don't answer that. Oh, and Dad's hidden stashes are everywhere, so keep an eye out.
Headshot. Nice. Headshot. Good. Disarm. Headshot. Great. Reload. Critical.
Don't think about how they used to be people. These ones, the ones Dad calls goners, there's no coming back for them. You were lucky.
Reload.
Clean cut, Cypher. That's something we weren't taught in CIA training.
Headshot.
Bullseye!
Nice. Headshot.
Serum Monday injected you with was an early formula. Just gave you the ability to time travel. No other undead side effects.
Headshot.
When you two stop chewing the cud, Cypher needs to get back here. All kind of Z-hell is breaking loose.
One of these days, Bobcat is gonna get himself bitten or worse.
Well, if it isn't the veil who wriggled off the hook. You and Celia Jane still tried to save the world from little old me. Did she tell you she was my star pupil? But to show there are no hard feelings, I've sent you a little gift. Enjoy.
This must be the peace offering he was talking about. Oh, the psychotic madman. What's your situation, Bobcat? Can you help Cypher out?
I'm trapped back here. You're gonna have to mop up those zombozos on your own.
You got this. Just shoot every undead thing that moves.
CJ's dropped in a drink for you. Gives you a real buzz.
Energy drink.
Thought you might need some backup.
Good girl, Betsy.
You certainly know how to make an entrance, Dad.
Says the girl with the rocket launcher.
I picked up a signal from the graveyard. You and Bobcat head there, and I'll try to track Monday down.
Let's take the APC.
Code pressure. Enjoy your ride.